Welcome back to Review and Adventure Hub, where we explore innovative products, unbox them in detail, and provide you with honest reviews to help you make the best buying decisions. In today's video, we're diving deep into the Duvog 5000W Induction Hot Plate, model DG-IC5005, an industrial-grade electric induction stove designed for both home and commercial cooking. With a massive 5,000 watts of power, this induction cooker is not just another kitchen gadget. It's a culinary powerhouse capable of transforming the way you cook. If you've been searching for a durable, energy-efficient, and high-performance induction hot plate, then this video will provide everything you need to know, from unboxing and features overview, performance tests, and our final verdict. When I opened the box of the Duvog 5000W Induction Hot Plate, DG-IC5005, here's exactly what I find inside. Main induction hot plate unit, DG-IC5005. The centerpiece of the package, built with a sleek, durable, and heavy-duty design. Flat ceramic/glass cooking surface that's both stylish and easy to clean. Here's the warranty card and service information. This is your safety net in case anything goes wrong with the Duvog Induction Hot Plate. When you open the box, one of the important items you'll find is the user manual and safety instructions. This is not just a booklet. It's your complete guide operating the Duvog DG-IC5005 safely and effectively. Here's the warranty card and service information. This is your safety net in case anything goes wrong with the Duvog Induction Hot Plate. It covers manufacturing defects, gives you access to authorized service centers, and ensures you can get support or even a replacement if needed. Here's the main unit of the Duvog DG-IC5005 Induction Hot Plate. Right away, you can see it's sleek, premium design with a flat ceramic glass surface that looks modern and is super easy to clean. It's built heavy-duty, strong enough for long cooking sessions, and even commercial use. The best part is the power. With 5,000 watts, it delivers instant high-performance heat for anything from simmering soups to fast stir-frying. Here's the warranty card. This is your safety net in case anything goes wrong with the Duvog Induction Hot Plate. It covers manufacturing defects, gives you access to authorized service centers, and ensures you can get support or even a replacement if needed. Here's the user manual and safety instructions. A very important part of the package that many people tend to overlook, but it's actually just as valuable as the product itself. This manual provides complete guidance on how to set up, operate, and maintain your Duvog DG-IC5005 Induction Hot Plate. It walks you through the basics, like proper installation, which types of cookware are compatible with induction cooking, and the right way to position the unit for maximum safety and performance. Now, let's take a closer look at the main induction hot plate unit itself. On the front control panel, you'll notice a modern touch-sensitive button layout, which gives it a high-tech, user-friendly feel. On/off for power, low for gentle cooking, high for full heat, and lock for safety. The flat ceramic/glass cooking surface is smooth, stylish, and incredibly easy to wipe clean after use, making it practical for both home and commercial kitchens. Right here, there's an important reminder printed. The surface stays hot even after use, so don't touch it immediately. Now, let's take a full look around the main unit. From the right to the left side, you can see how solid and heavy-duty the construction really is. Built to last, not just for home use, but even for long, tough cooking sessions. When I turn it around to the back, there's something very important. 2 powerful cooling fans. These are designed to keep the machine at a safe operating temperature, even during extended high-heat cooking. And finally, here's the power cable. It's not an ordinary wire. This is a high-grade, heat-resistant, and well-insulated cable that ensures durability and safety while handling up to 5,000 watts of power. Now, let's flip the unit over and take a look at the bottom side. You'll notice a series of cooling holes designed to keep air flowing through the system. This smart ventilation ensures a hot plate remains safe, efficient, and reliable, even during long cooking sessions. Along with that, the 4 sturdy, high-quality plastic feet provide a stable base. They not only keep the unit balanced on your countertop, but also create just the right amount of space for proper airflow underneath. A small detail, but one that really adds to the durability and safety of this induction hot plate. I place a frying pan directly on the smooth ceramic surface, and to test its power, I'm pouring in some water. Now let me show you just how efficient the Duvog DG-IC5005 Induction Hot Plate really is. The moment I switch it on, the induction technology kicks in, transferring heat directly to the pan with almost zero energy loss. On the front, you'll find a user-friendly touch panel with clearly marked controls, designed for convenience and precision. The LED display with indicator lights keeps you updated in real time, so you always know the exact power level and temperature. And with instant heat adjustment, you can switch from a gentle simmer to rapid boiling in seconds, giving you full control over every dish you prepare. Its flat ceramic glass surface not only looks premium, but also makes cleaning effortless, while ensuring even heat transfer to your cookware. This powerhouse is brought to you by Duvog, and the model we have here is the DG-IC5005. It's an electric induction hot plate designed to run safely on 220 volts at 50 Hertz. And at the heart of it all is its incredible 5,000 watt power output, giving you professional level performance right in your kitchen or commercial space. With 5,000 watts of cooking power, the DG-IC5005 ensures faster cooking times, the ability to handle heavy pots and woks, and most importantly, consistent heat distribution every single time. It uses advanced induction technology, which means it heats your cookware directly instead of the cooking surface. The DG-IC5005 comes with overheat protection, voltage safety controls, and a cool-to-touch surface that reduces the risk of burns, making it both powerful and safe to use. The control system is simple and intuitive, with easy-to-use buttons and an LED display that lets you adjust power and temperature instantly. Whether you're simmering, frying, or boiling, you stay in full control. In terms of build quality, the unit is crafted with a durable stainless steel body and a flat ceramic glass top. Within just a few seconds, you can already see tiny bubbles forming, and in no time, the water is rapidly boiling. This quick response is the real magic of induction cooking. No waiting, no wasting time, just instant, powerful heat exactly where you need it. For busy kitchens, professional cooking, or even home chefs who want speed and efficiency, this is a game changer. The Duvog 5000W Induction Hot Plate DG-IC5005 is a true game changer for anyone who takes cooking seriously. Whether you're a home chef looking for faster, more efficient cooking, or a restaurant/catering professional who needs a reliable workhorse, this hot plate delivers in every way. Its 5000W power ensures speed and efficiency, while its safety features give you peace of mind. The build quality is outstanding, and it's clear this product is designed for long-term use. If you want to upgrade your kitchen with a high-performance induction hot plate that balances power, efficiency, and durability, the Duvog DG-IC5005 is an excellent choice. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.